The PSEI is hitting a critical juncture this week. Is it moving higher? What's happening? If you own and you are following the market and the PSEI as a whole, where is it headed? What should you do? Check this video out. Hey guys, so I just got my cup of coffee. I'm going back to where my wife is, but I just wanted to make this post. And I'm not actually using my camera right now. This is just from a phone, but I believe I should post this before the market opens tomorrow, so you get context also on what's happening on the markets, because the PSEI closed at 8117 last Friday, which is very, very interesting from a technical analysis standpoint, because if you've been following the videos that I've been creating, it's under the context that the market has been sideways over the past few months, that we've been moving from 7.5 to 8,100, and I've been posting this in the past videos that we must break out of 8.1 for the market to actually have a shot to go higher. So why am I saying this? The market closed at 8117 last Friday, which places us above the 8,100 level. So what should you watch out for over the next few days? Let's see, from Monday up until Friday, if the 8,100 level will hold. You have to remember that as it starts to hold, it must become the new support, meaning the stock or the PSEI in general, as it starts to move over the next few days. Let's see if this 8.1, you have to remember, when a breakout would happen, the previous resistance would prove itself to be the new support. So let's see if 8.1 is a real support, that after the breakout there, it will not drop. Because here's the thing, if at 8.1 over the next few days it fails to hold, meaning it's just a false breakout, don't buy. If you bought and you positioned already, you can already take profits because there's a possible retracement happening. But here's now the narrative. If it stays at 8.1, really solidifies itself as a support, the next possible movement is this. I believe the next target for the market, it could possibly go to 8.4 to 8, or it could go around 8.4 to 8.5 over the short term. You have to remember that breaking out of 8.1 makes the market move from sideways already, and it will position it into an uptrend. For those who attended their Stock Smart sessions, you have to remember this. The context of an uptrend is a breakout. For an uptrend to happen, a breakout must happen first. We must see the market move from sideways headed up. So that's something that we need to watch out for. That's something that we have to watch out, that it must stay above the 8,100 level. So there, the 8,100 level should solidify as a support. You have to remember this. If the 8,100 level does not hold, there's just a possibility for the stock to retrace, or the PSCI to retrace, and there's just a possibility that it's just a false breakout, meaning there's a retracement. If you positioned earlier, it would be okay and prudent to also take profits, and you can expect the market to retrace lower back to the moving averages, either the short or the mid-term moving averages, as we're trying to see fit where it will go. So the goal here is not to, syempre everyone wants the market to go up, but the goal here is not to guess. The goal here is not to speculate, and the reason why we use technicals is it allows us to pick our spots, to know where are we supposed to come in, where are we supposed not to actually come in. So the narrative, and I'll say this over and over, if we stay above 8,100 this week, there's a possibility, there's confirmation that 8.1 will prove itself as a support. If we stay above 8.1 this week, there's a possibility and a narrative that the next target prices will be 8.4 to 8.5, and to a larger extent, we now have a shot to go to around the 8,900 to 9,000 level, but without breaking out from the 8,100 level, or at least staying above that level. There's a possibility that we could possibly not go higher. It's a game of support and resistance. It's a game of following where the lines and the targets are. So again, if you own a stock or you're investing in the market, the next possible narrative is, if it does not hold that level, we will just go back to a sideways progression. And if it's a sideways progression, you only make money if you trade. You have to remember this. If you are investing for the long term, I hope that when the market dropped to 7.5, 7.6, you started to accumulate massively, because as you started to accumulate massively, it could have given you a shot to make money as well. And that's how you do it. You don't have to be in the market all the time. You only have to be there when it counts the most. So I hope this video helped you, and I hope this is something that encourages you, that you have to remember, it's almost 10 p.m. This video will be posted probably in the next few hours, but I get to analyze and trade the markets because everything I need to know is found in technical analysis, and everything I need to know is just based on what we've been talking about over the past few months already. So ayan na, sinusundo na ako. Are we supposed to go?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy your ice cream? So watch the post-credit scenes if you want to see Yvonne eat her ice cream. For those who want the vlogs to be about food, just follow her. But I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. Marvin Gerbo, back in BGC. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you. So there, by the way, my wife's here saying hello. I'm making a vlog. So there, 8,100, just using this lang. Whoa, ice cream. Grabe. So they always know that you just keep on eating there. So while my wife is eating, I'll finish this video.